Are you tired of the 9-to-5 grind, dreaming of financial independence? What if I told you you could make up to $350 in just 4 hours, right from your phone? Welcome to the world of online entrepreneurship. Are you tired of the 9-to-5 grind, dreaming of financial independence? What if I told you you could make up to $350 in just 4 hours, right from your phone? Welcome to the world of online entrepreneurship. I'm about to show you a simple yet profitable method to build websites for small businesses who don't have an online presence. It's a goldmine just waiting to be tapped. No coding skills? No problem. With AI-powered tools like Hostinger, creating stunning websites is as easy as clicking a button. Imagine turning a blank page into a profitable business in minutes. Picture this. Landing just 4 clients a month can mean an extra $1,400 in your pocket. And the best part, you can scale this business as much as you want. I know what you're thinking. Is it too competitive, or I'm not tech savvy? Trust me, there's plenty of room for everyone in this market, and with tools like Hostinger, technical skills are barely needed. Ready to dive in? Subscribe for more tips and tricks. Like this video to show your support, and leave a comment below with your biggest takeaway. Bonus: grab my free guide to finding your first website client by clicking the link in the description. Don't miss out on this opportunity to turn your passion into profit.